Thanks for checking out our tutorial. We are going to look at how to set up and use ChatGPT-4 with access to the internet enabled. To start, you will need a browser to log into a ChatGPT Plus account. Type this link into your browser: chat.openai.com. You should see this page. If you are not registered already, you will need to register on the login page. You may log in with a Google account. Once you have completed logging in, then you should see the prompt page. At the top of the prompt page, you should find a toggle, as you see in this example. This toggle setting currently allows you to use two offerings from OpenAI, GPT 3.5 as well as GPT-4. Make sure you have selected GPT-4, then locate the toggle setting for browser beta enabled. Turn the browser beta on. Now you are ready to start prompting GPT-4 with the internet enabled. Let's try a big recent news story and see what results we get. Act like a news reporter. Your job is to research a story about the United States government possibly defaulting on their debt in the next few weeks. Do not make up any information. Be factual. Generate 2 hyperlinks that support your story. Generate a flow chart showing details of the situation. Looks like it turned out pretty good. The links work and the story is current. So you can see how GPT-4 is able to do research of current events now with browsing enabled. Thank you for watching. If you encounter any errors, check out our video on fixing ChatGPT errors. If you find our video helpful, please give us a like. Goodbye.